Hey, look what I got done. You can't really see, but yeah, it's too dark in this damn garage. But anyway, got my tires on the back with my new leaf springs and damn flashlight. And that's what it gives me. Looking pretty good, I think. Got brand new bushings, brand new springs, and on the front I am dealing with all this crap. It's all screwed up all the ways back, so it's all cracked and stuff. But I made this. Yep, another duplicate just like it. Just gonna have to give it that little bend that's over here. And yeah, so hopefully that will be going on very shortly. Show you from the other side. And that's what holds the steering box. Goes right back here, which you can see how junk that is. So hopefully that will be like brand new. All the ways back to probably over here somewhere. As far as I can go anyways, I'll have to cut it and bend it just like I did on the back. But yeah, tires look pretty awesome. I like the way the Jeep looks. Hopefully you will be able to do the front soon. And it looks pretty neat, pretty mean. Got them rims from my brother, and those tires I got it from the buddy of mine that has this shop. He sold them to me with a other bunch of parts for the Jeep for cheap. So yeah. Anyway, stay tuned and I'll keep you updated. Thanks for watching.